Today I am going to explain you and show you how I made my small little pond in the courtyard of my house. So this is a very simple exercise and anybody can make it. So I bought this and 1.5 feet diameter on the top, this plastic tub, and in this tub I fill the bottommost layer. I put some biomedia for the bacteria culture, and I used S2 microbacteria solution for that. On top of that I put some aqua soils, as you can see, aqua soils, okay. And for the hardscape purpose I used some rocks over here. uh, then I planted uh, things. So one of the plant that I tried is the lilies. These are dwarf lotus lilies. So I cracked the seed and then soaked it into the plain water. I kept on changing the water every 3 days, and after that the lily leaves came up, and after another 2 weeks I planted it over here. So as you can see, it's very healthy and it's nice, it's propagating. And then I put some Bocaba California, I put some Rotella Green, uh, yeah, Reineke, Kobumba, some dwarf hair grass, and some sword grass. And also I had some strain of uh, some water lettuce, small siblings. So I keep on, whenever they grow too much I just throw them out, because otherwise it will stop all the light entering the water. And I just kept around 5 fishes here, not five, 6 fishes, 2 guppies and 4 platies. They're hiding somewhere. This tank is now almost like 8 10 weeks old, and I put the fishes only after around 3 to no, I put the fish after almost 6 weeks. So there's no CO2, there's natural light. I put it just outside under a shade, so there's plenty of sunlights, and I see the same plant which is in my aquarium. I see much more coloration here. Nothing can beat the nature, right? And then I also have I change the water here at least 2 to 3 times a day, two to times a week, I'm sorry. How can you do it in a day? Week. And I put anti-chlorine, and also I put uh, the 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 CO2, liquid CO2, carbon CO2, for that. But there's no CO2 tank here to sit there, and there's no filter either. So it is important that you change the water twice a week, otherwise the content of ammonia nitrate goes up. One of the problem I have faced is diatom algae. Even if after 10 weeks it's not very visible, let's see. Still there's a lot of diatom algae are there, and every time when I clean I siphon them out, but nothing to worry. Diatom algae are not our enemy, so they actually absorb the extra nutrients and also helps to control the ammonia and the nitrates. Uh, so that is it. So in a week probably, since there's no need to scrub up or anything, so yeah, to siphon out the water it like 10 minutes maybe, and to fill it the water again from the tap water another 5 minutes or so. So in a week altogether probably 30 minutes of time. I feed the fishes only in the morning once, some pellet food. uh, Not much of a hassles, but it gives a lot of relaxation. The best thing is you will see some birds coming up and they will take a dip in the water. It's really nature. It's a small your own nature ecosystem, and it's pretty nice. Growing up sometimes and I can also see something like some submerged plants are emerging out now, and you see the leaf and coloration are different, so it is also very good to see. I never had this kind of setup earlier. This is my first one. And you can also see some oxygenation somewhere actually when the daytime, as I don't know whether it's visible much, but you can see some oxygenation coming up here. But overall I'm pretty satisfied with this one, and I hope it will be helpful and it will tickle your natural nature loving instinct to try it out. Let me know if you need any further information, if you want to create this one, and I will be happy to answer your queries. Thank you very much.